Hello friends, today we will discussing about file handling with the writing mode W+. W plus means writing and reading. See the code here, return the function opening of file in form of mode W plus means writing and reading. Then write the text into the file, flush the data to ensure data is properly written into file. Then reading the file data and printing data and then closing. Now see what is happening here. Just run it and check. Okay, so our data is my school name is IIT Powai. But see the output. There is no output because I've just written read file and reading the file data from the file and storing into T and printing with the data here as a T. So, but there is no output. Why there is no output? This simple reason is, just check the code. Don't think that I'm not opening the file for in read mode because it is already open for the writing purpose and the reading purpose, because plus sign is also denoting additional one, that is the reading purpose. So write and read is also included here. So no need to open file again. But why not output? The simple reason is, whenever you are opening your file, now check the data file. Here your data file is correct. So my school name is IIT Powai. So what is actually happening inside the file? So whenever you are writing your file, my school name is IIT Powai. So after writing, your program counter moves forward and your program counter is kept at the end, because the whole data is written like that. Just think, whenever you are writing with your pen, so after writing the statement, your pen is at the end of the statement. That is program counter. Your pen is behaving as a program counter. And then reading always starts from position to forward, the current position to forward. So from here, reading starts for the next word or bytes, but there is nothing after the program counter. That's why there is no output after the reading, because there is nothing to read by the file.read statement. So what is the solution to read the file? The solution is very simple. So you have to move your program counter from end to start and then start reading the content, because your reading always move forward, writing always move forward. After writing the data, your program counter is kept at the end, just like your pen. And if you want to read, you have to move your pen at the beginning. Just suppose, just like a very small kids, they are putting finger to read the data. So if you are very small kid, just suppose, so your pointer is at the end, so you have to read again. So move your finger in the starting of the text file, that is from my, and then start reading forward. So this is the only way, this is the only problem why the data is not being written into this code. So what is the solution? Moving your program counter to the beginning of the text. So what to do for this? So before reading, we have to move our program counter to the starting of the text or starting of the file. So what to do? So just simple code is seek function. There is a seek function. So you have to write file.swkc and at which position you want to move, that 0th position. 0th position is the starting of the file, the 00 index. So there is two arguments I will discuss later on in the binary section, but here is only one parameter I'm passing, that is the starting point. The number of byte is 0. So the number of bytes will be 0, and that means the starting of the file. So now just check. Now again we'll write the same thing. We'll run the program. Now I'm just again writing my, sorry, My SCH school name is IIT Powai, and just print that. And now see that output is there. What is happening? After writing all data, your program counter moves at the end in your text file, and by putting this file .seek 0, your program counter moves to the starting of the file, that is the 0th byte, and then start reading from this there to there. This is the way. So this is a simple way with using W plus. So take care with using W plus. No read separate is required because this statement itself carrying writing and reading. So just after writing, you don't close the file because this file should be open for reading purpose. So don't close the file, but you must put the flush. And after that, put your program counter at the beginning or from where you want to start reading, and then read the file. Okay, suppose I don't want to read from the beginning. I want to read from suppose name. So what we have to do? We have to move program counter from end to the beginning of the name. It means how many bytes from here to here we have to count. That because your byte is here is your byte is 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and space is 10. So if I'm moving my program counter up to 10, so your program counter will be here, and then it will read from this to this point. So just put here instead of 0, putting 10, and then again start reading. See what is happening. Again I have to write the content. Okay, so just I'm copying it and pasting, not need to type. So I don't want to type it here. And now see, the output is name is IIT Powai. The starting two words my school is just left out. It is because up to this blank space there are 10 different bytes, 10 bytes. So I'm just putting C10. It means our program counter moves to here from because it after writing the program counter was here, and after writing program counter was here, putting the C10, your program counter moves to here 10 byte away from the beginning, from the 0, that is from beginning, and start reading from this position, and then you will get the name is IIT Powai. Okay, that's all with the reading and writing, means writing along with the plus, writing and reading. Same way we can use in reading also. Okay, that's all for today. We'll discuss later on. Thank you. Goodbye.